And how do you recover from a cold? I'm battling with one and I hate it.
You actually have a video about this. One time when he was sick, way back in Halifax days, you did
2012.
a video. Yeah, you did a video about being sick and what you were, whether you were going to the gym or not.
We'll link that below.
We've gotten this question about should you still work out, should you not? It depends on how sick you are. You say it's just a cold, you probably don't have a fever, it's okay. So the best thing you can do is get active, like do some physical activity. Nothing super strenuous, but like a light jog through the park, or you know, a body weight workout in your living room, or just some elliptical or whatever you feel like in the mood for.
Yeah.
Get your heart rate up, get a little bit of a sweat, and then eat healthy foods and drink lots of fluid.
Yeah, a lot of times movement makes you feel better. So if you decide to sit on the couch all day and just watch TV, you're gonna feel like crap.
Which is probably what you want to do.
At the time, you feel like that's what you should be doing.
It's not.
But
not
if
helpful.
you can get up and your head's not light and you don't have a headache and all this and that,
you're not dizzy.
You can go outside and just go for a walk, get some sunshine, get some air.
If it's just a sniffly nose, then breathe that fresh air and get active.
But one thing I do to not get sick is, besides eating healthy and working out all the time, is take a greens powder. That's what's really changed for me, is when I started taking the greens powder that I've been talking about. It just keeps my immune system on point, like really up there. So we'll link down below to a greens powder that I use that you guys can check out.
I think every aspect of living lean helps immunity too. Like people ask us that too, if it helped us with fertility or whatever. Like in your life, it's eating healthier and exercising often is going to make you a healthier person, so you'll get sick less often. So live lean, y'all.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming.